How to fix JBL Tune 510BT headphones not charging. This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. Basically, first things first, we have to eliminate some aspects on why this is happening. First things first, you have to make sure that your charging cable or the power adapter that you are using is working. In order to do this, you can just go ahead and use that specific adapter and charging cable to another device like your phone. If it's not, you can then go ahead and use another adapter or charging cable in order to charge your JBL Tune 510BT. Right after that, you can just go ahead and try plugging in your JBL Tune 510 into another power outlet. You want to make sure that the charging port of the device is clean, because debris and dirt might go ahead and stop the charging from working. If still the headset is not working, this could mean that the problem is from the hardware itself. You can just go ahead and take it to a technician and get it fixed. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.